Here's the tag for it.
It's from 2000. Say hi for the video. Oh, Lennox. Looks like it's from 1990. I can see that data sheet.
On the others have some bigger units. They're not in defense.
I'm assuming that Lennox is also from 1990. I don't know. These are refrigeration components, and this right here is a commercial air conditioner. I'm sure you know. That's weird. 2015. This one's from 2015. These are all. One of these was turned off, I think.
Well, these units, since they kind of look the same, be around in the same area.
What?
Oh, here it is.
Bunch of line sets here.
Where's the year at?
There's the year. You have to search how to get the year.
These all look pretty new, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's two Daikins over here. I've never got these units running. This one's a straight cool from 2019. I'm gonna get the tonnages later.
You said this one's from when?
This one is from 2019. This one's also from 2019. It's also a straight cool.
Probably installed around the same time.
Yeah, it must be. I do not know what they replaced.
Doesn't look like anything else.
Alley rule.
This right here is a new building. So all the units here are newer. Yeah, there's already rust in this. Probably because of the Voyager. Trane Voyager. Oh. Data sheet's over here. It's from 2018. This building was built in like 2018 or 19. Mitsubishi mini split, the only unit here that's not an American standard.
That's a smaller overhead unit because I have one in my house.
And these two American standard silver units.
This is also an American standard silver.
It's from 2017. And this one's from 2018. The units here are all straight. Here's another American standard silver unit, but this one is from 2018. I got this one running before. And here's these 4 American standard units. I got one of these 2 silvers running. I think it was this one right here. But this one is from 2018.
Second or third visit. Maybe the third
2018. And these 2 Odyssey units.
visit. What are these fake rocks?
Don't know. And this one's from 2017. These 2 Odysseys are from different years. And down and over here at this alley, some Carrier. There's 2 Paynes. Okay, and there's these 2 units up here. This Rheem from 2017. This, I think, is this on my ICP? It is from 1998. It appears. And here is two Payne units.
There's some more over here.
2010. 2010. I bet they're identical. Here's another Carrier packaging. Here's a really interesting Heil unit.
This one says 94.
That's an interesting one.
The 1994, yeah.
What brand is that?
It's a Heil. This right here is a really interesting Heil unit. And this ICP Commercial Unit from 2002. And this one's a Payne, that one's a Carrier. Alright, two more units here. There's a really old Carrier there.
Carrier is the
This is
Carrier is
Carrier.
the unit company that they use on all the buses nowadays.
The line set's blocking it. It looks like this one's from 2001. And right here is a really old Carrier unit. This thing is ancient.
You got a year on it?
Doesn't look like it, or I guess it did at one point, but you can't tell.
Yeah, can't tell. Here's two brown Legacies.
I hear one running.
That's the generator. There's another old Carrier there.
These look around the same time. So
Yeah.
I think
Here's a older small Carrier Comfort. It's in 2008. And here's another very old Carrier, and there's an ICP Commercial.
And oh, this one has a better tag, but you gotta like take a picture of it.
It's in 2002.
It's got a tag back here, but I can't read it.
I'm gonna get the dash sheet when I make a separate review.
I guess
I'm
we're
gonna
gonna
get the dash sheet. I'm not seeing. I'll decode that
You
later.
get down here and look at that.
Here's a Trane XB, which I never filmed before.
Here's the tag.
It's from 2007.
7 sounds about right. It's a train.
Yep, it's a train. Here's an old train split system.
You can't see through the bushes here.
Here's a Carrier.
We can get the information. I'd say if it was from 2015, that would be one.
It's from 2020.